Don't go for Volkswagen. It's always Toyota or Nissan. You can feel it.
Yeah,
while you're
yeah,
driving.
yeah. So currently we are also cruising on 100.
Yes, 100 we are cruising, but you don't feel like it.
Yeah,
That's the problem. That's the main problem with this. Because
Hi guys, welcome back to MotoDrift. So today we are back with another car on my series, My Car, My Story. So today we have with us Joji, who is event specialist and who is owning Volkswagen Passat 2016 model. So Joji, welcome on the show.
Thank you.
And please tell me what was the reason you bought this car, and tell me about whole story and tell me about more information about this car.
So hello guys, thank you Tanmay, thank you for inviting me. I got my license like 2024 and around 6-8 months I was doing this research. What is the best option to own in GCC or UAE especially?
Okay.
So I'm a family guy, like I take my friends, I take my people around with me always.
Okay.
So I was in the starting, to be very frank, GTI. I was looking at GTI. I saw multiple GTIs, multiple models, different colors, but at the end I wanted more space. Like you can see now, even my trunk is full now. Because I take my things all or carry it, and even if we are going for a vacation, we need to carry our luggages.
Okay.
That's when I understood, like, I'm sure I'm taking Volkswagen. That was 100% sure. Like, I will only take Volkswagen just because I love German cars, and Volkswagen have a big brand. I have been big fan of Polo when I was in India. So that Polo made me very realistic thing to buy in India. Then I moved in here. So Polo is not there. Then it's only GTI. Then I was like, okay, GTI is not a good thing for me in UAE. But if I was in Kerala, I would have bought Polo or GTI or something like that. Anyway, so the Passat, I saw three Passats. One was blue color, one was black, and one was another again blue. So all these Passat was different models. Like this is 2016. The other two was 2018 and 2017. But this was more clean. More well serviced and used by a very good gentleman. That was the most reason, because he kept his word. He kept the car very clean. And he was very open. Whatever had some scratches, he showed me, literally got all scratches and showed me like this much scratches is there. But service is done properly. Every 10,000 he was changing the filter, fuel, oil, everything. But coming to the major service heater, like he didn't get anything because the car is maintained well. That's why he is not getting any major service. Even though it was 115 kilometers, I mean 115,000 kilometers, this is still fine. Like you can feel it.
So currently we are also cruising on 100.
Yes, 100 we are cruising, but you don't feel like it. That's the problem. That's the main problem with this, because I got a lot of fines because I just pressed this acceleration and it goes. That's what, like. Sorry guys, I am very talkative.
No, but it's nice you're sharing your experience about us, and that's the thing. Because we need such kind of explanation as well, because this is not the expert review, this is just owner review.
I'll tell you why. Because the second I won in this car and I drove, I understood like this have good weight. I mean the body weight, everything I can feel in my steering. Because I am controlling the car. And the trunk space, like I said, and the leg space, if you can see in the front and back, easily we can get up to. You won't believe me, there were 8 people in this car. 8 people. That means 6 people in behind. But still, the car was smooth. I mean, I didn't buy it to take 8 people, but there was a chance to take 8 people inside. Then I understood like this car is really good. So after 1 year, I've been using it for 1 year. What I love again is mileage and the performance. I'm traveling from Abu Dhabi to Dubai every day. For last 1 month, but still. It's getting me around 700 to 800 kilometers full tank. It's between, like, if I am cruising, it's good. If I'm not cruising, then the mileage will go up on how I put my pedals. Sometimes I go crazy, like I'll go to above and beyond. Then I lose the mileage. And I don't use much sports. I have sports feature, but I only use it in high ranges, like if I'm going Jebel Jis or Jebel Heath. Otherwise, I am always going in drive mode. It's good. Like only till now, I just changed my tires. And oil change. Other than that, I bought
1 year, right? In 1 year.
In 1 year,
so you bought in 2024.
2024 November. This is 2025 November.
Nice. So my second question would be, if buying this car, you might be seeing some other car as well. Comparison while because as a person we see. So which was the you are looking like different car while buying the same like this car, like on budget or something like performance. What was which car you were looking at?
See, everyone in UAE tells like try buy Toyota or Nissan. Everyone is suggesting don't go for Volkswagen. It's always Toyota or Nissan. And coming to Nissan and Toyota, it was always Camry or Sentra, which I can afford on this price, same price. But coming to the Sunny and all these things, they don't have much handling, no weight. I don't feel like I'm driving a car because it's always jerking, not comfortability. But here I got a lot of comfortable, lot of good options, small options, like I can control my windows with my key, which is very rare in 2016.
Right.
So yeah, that's what made me very interesting to this car. And as I said, like only I was comparing with GTI, this and Jetta. Passat and Jetta. So Passat and Jetta are having another future, like it's 2.0 liter, this is 2.5. And that trunk space is very less than this. And it's small car. Comparing to this, that is a small car. So I was like, why should I take a small car when I have a good car on the same price? So I mean, Jetta and Passat, it's almost similar, same price. When it's going for the second hand. So I finalized this is my car.
In Dubai, this is your first car, right?
Yes.
My third question would be, how much you spend monthly on petrol?
It depends on how I travel. But if you see, like I'm going up and down Abu Dhabi, Dubai last 1 month, I was spending not only Abu Dhabi, Dubai, I was going Volkswagen, Al Ain, Al Dafra, Ras Al Khaimah, everywhere. So all these around, I can easily say around 15,000, maybe more than that.
1,500.
No, 15,000 kilometers.
No, not 50. No, I'm not talking about kilometers. I'm telling like how much monthly you spend on
that's
petrol.
right. 15,000 kilometers. So I spend around 1,500.
1,500.
Yeah.
So 1,500 you spend on petrol for monthly.
Yeah, special. Petrol special.
Petrol special. Yeah. So my next question would be like, what is your experience in service center?
I am using Noble Spare. I mean Noble Spare Parts and the workshop. It's in Abu Dhabi. They're very genuine as well. So the oil I'm using is Petronas. Which one is used by all the premium cars in Germany. Because I compare with the Volkswagen oil also, and the same amount is coming for Petronas as well. So I felt like the same price, and it's a good company. It's more reliable and gave me more mileage. I understood, like when I changed to Petronas, I got more mileage. And before it was used by ADNOC oils, but I don't prefer ADNOC.
So like how much you spend, like current, like total?
So total spend, I was spending around 120 for the, it's actually 90 only, 90, 100 something, 90 to 100 dirhams for the oil, and 60 or 40 for the original filter. Then the service amount, like it below 200 I spend. And I spend 100 per monthly to clean my car. Like, it depends on like how much I do.
Roughly I can say for 400 to 400.
300 to 400.
400 for the monthly.
Not monthly, I would say, but 10,000. But now I am using monthly because I am traveling a lot, so I have to do it monthly.
So my next question would be, would you recommend this car to your family or friends?
It depends. When it comes to friends, some people want power. If they want power, if they want to have any like more like craziness to overtake people and all, then I won't search this. But if you are looking for a reliable car, which you can use your friends, and when you want power, it gives, but not like the other hatchbacks or any other vehicles. But of course, this is 2.5 liter American, and it's giving me full like around 6 to 7 seconds to get 100. But it's very good, very comfortable and very reliable. As you can see, mileage, less maintenance. You can see another Passat in front. So yeah, it's good.
So my next question would be, if there is a one change you want to give in this car, what you want to change?
The silencer. But the silencer is good. If you can go out, you'll understand. The silencer is good, but I want more to feel like that energy should go out. But for this car, they have kept it very very light. You can hear, right? It is having that power, but it's not shown outside. I think they have silenced it. If you can give something more like GTI or any other vehicles, I feel like, I'm driving a good car. Still I'm driving a good car, but more sound I need. I don't like electricals, bro. And one more thing, this is a non-turbo version. Just before this, just after this, they made the turbo version.
So my next question would be much closer to you. So it would be like, what is your dream car and why?
It's one and only Porsche 911.
Same bro, same.
Bro, like if you love a car, that's the end of a question.
Yeah.
Porsche. Just drive Porsche if you want to feel alive.
Alive, yeah.
Yeah.
In fact,
You know how it feels like.
Yeah, it has another level of satisfaction.
It's a dream from like
and it is
very young.
Yeah. It has another level of satisfaction to see that car as well.
It's a track and road.
Yeah.
It's not only on track. It performs very well on the road also. So.
I like that car because I can use it as a professional. If I'm a corporate, you can give that corporate. If you want to be a sporty guy,
there is sporty. Yeah.
So I like that for and well choice. And I would just want to tell you that before you know about like Polo you had in India.
Yeah.
So I had a first car Polo only.
Okay.
White Polo Highline.
Okay.
So you know our choice are matching.
Of course. Yes.
So my last question would be, like, would you shift to EV?
But don't ask. I won't.
Why?
I won't because like I said, I need more sound.
Yeah.
I don't want this electrical thing to be there in my.
But still, have you ridden any EV car?
Electric cars? No, I drive like hybrid. I think this Nissan. What was that model? Sorry guys. Nissan Pathfinder.
Okay.
I think that was a hybrid. I don't know whether it's hybrid,
no. Maybe I know.
Yeah.
It's not part like.
It's not hybrid.
No. Maybe I don't.
I don't know. Even I don't know. But I like that car because it was it was having this line sensor, a lot of things, lot of extra. I was literally, that was the first car I drove after getting license.
Oh, okay.
And it was make me feel, so it was so comfortable for me. I don't have to look out anything. Like,
okay. So everything is
everything is well inbuilt, and it is taking me all journey from Abu Dhabi to Dubai very easily. I drove without any tension, without any speed limits. I mean, it does everything. So that found me very good. But when I drove for my thing, like my pleasure, I won't drive that car. Like it's just for fun.
Okay. My last question would be, you have driven in India as well. So so what's your experience in Dubai? What you want to give to viewers?
From Dubai and India, it's like totally different, bro. We cannot compare anything, but the only good thing is the roads. But coming to the climate, I don't know whether this is good for a car, this climate. But other than that, this car is really good. I mean, this country is good for their roads. Okay. That's the only reason I drove 15,000 kilometers in a month. Yeah. Just because the roads are good. I don't have any maintenance also. Okay. Thank God I don't have any maintenance. But it's good. It's good. It's only thing difference will be the road. Okay. So that's it. Thank you, Joji, for all your information. And really, it was nice talking to you. You have shared a lot of personal experience to us, and it will be quite useful for the people watching to buy second-hand car for the Polo and for the Volkswagen. Sorry. Please go, guys. Guys, don't buy Toyota, Nissan, and all. Drive once in a life a German, then you won't look back. I'm telling you. Yeah. Just drive once in a life. Yeah. Thank you again, and guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MotoDrift. Thank you. Bye-bye.